Oh, hi guys. I didn't notice you there. I'm Stephanie Auerbach with Lovejoy Real Estate, sitting in my beautiful listing 7265 Southwest Sharon Lane in Raleigh Hills. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of the home. So first we have this gorgeous family room and some pretty nice built-ins, and all the light that this room brings in is very lovely. And then this amazing entertainer's cook's kitchen over here with this lovely island. The countertops are granite and really nice. And then the kitchen that overlooks this gorgeous backyard is just wonderful. The other thing I wanted to mention is this beautiful office, and then a nice beautiful window looking out to the nice mature trees in this amazing neighborhood we call Raleigh Hills West Slope area that is just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, viewing this gorgeous, gorgeous home at 7265 Southwest Sharon Lane in Portland, Oregon. If you have any questions or would like to take a tour, please contact me directly and I'm happy to assist you.